For this little expedition, we will be heading out east to do some camping along the Cedar River in a sweet little private spot which we discovered on Hip Camp, which is completely necessary to overland in a location such as ours. Along with meeting up with some friends, we are going to be trying a crazy new recipe when it comes to camp cooking and s'mores.
That is so bright. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake, you're watching Adventure GT, and today I'm going camping. But first things first, I have to go pick up my rooftop tent. It is stored at my significant other's place, so we have to go pick up our tent. We have to go grab a lot of our camping supplies, and after all of that, we are heading out to a surprise camping spot. There is absolutely zero overlanding in Iowa, as we've talked about a couple times on the channel before, but with a little help from some friends, we were able to find a special system that allows us to find some really unique places. Down. Okay, wait. You got it? Oh, nope.
I don't.
So strong. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What is happening?
There we go. We just finished setting up camp, and what a beautiful location that we have found. We are completely surrounded by dense forests all around us, and we are the only people here, which is actually saying a lot since this is Iowa and there is no BLM land. It is so freaking hot out right now. You may have noticed I already had to change clothes. It is currently 93 degrees outside, and it's supposed to get down to 70, 71 tonight, so that's not bad, but we are going to be hiding underneath the shade at all times. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of camp probably this whole time I was talking now, but I think we're going to go for a little hike, explore this area just a little bit before settling down and finally making some dinner. There you can see we are utilizing that cooler space again, so we got some drinks in there. There's some dinner stuff, and you can see 44, 46 degrees inside my little cooler project. So it's holding up pretty well with 2 giant bags of ice and 1 small bag of ice. I think we're gonna go do a little fishing, a little exploring, yeah? All right. Come on. do, 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 do. Oh God. I'm glad he's in your tent. Did you lose a sandal? No. Oh, you lost? Oh God.
Oh, look at that. Close your eyes.
Such a good investment.
Big shout out to everyone in Iowa and everyone who does not have access to BLM land in their state. We actually found this place
on High Camp. High Camp was told to us by a couple of friends, and it's basically a site where people can let other people stay on their land, and it gives you a place to find it, because in Iowa specifically, it is really hard to find overlanding in general. I think High Camp is accessible across the nation and in every state. Download the app and see what's around you, and you can find places like this too. Not sponsored in any way, but it's a really great app, guys. If you do stay at the same place that we did, they had an optional add-on with this Iowa sweet corn that was dehydrated, and it's delicious. So if you happen to find the same location, I think it's really cool that you guys should jump on that add-on too while it's available. So check this out, guys. We are making some funky s'mores that we found online, and actually we take one of these waffle cones, and we got baby marshmallows and finely chopped up Hershey's chocolate, like your normal s'more, but we're gonna be wrapping this cone in tin foil and laying them on the fire and let them all mix up naturally like that. Hopefully it's a success, but we'll see what happens.
It would take two if it's literally
fire.
like
It is on
It's on fire, buddy.
No, the stick.
My camera's being dumb. Here, let's see what it looks like.
This one's about perfect.
Anna, no.
Not dog, Matthew. Alright, give me that bad boy.
That's not yours, so.
It is now. Munch.
Alright guys, we are going to go to bed.